Chili lime crispy sticky chicken wings. Slow cooker apricot BBQ chicken wings. Coca-Cola baked chicken wings. Bourbon maple glazed chicken wings. Hawaiian Pupu chicken wings. Smoked buffalo chicken wings. Sweet Pea's Kitchen suggests using a smoker for this recipe. Use butter, hot sauce, black pepper, and garlic powder for the sauce. These could give any number of Buffalo Wild Wings sauces a run for their money. Honey BBQ baked chicken wings. Wingstop garlic Parmesan wings. Copycat's recipe is a DIY version of Wingstop's garlic Parmesan wings, arguably one of the best Wingstop flavors. After the wings are done in the oven, stir them with Parmesan cheese and melted garlic butter. Top with more Parmesan cheese.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.